Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY right here with another video. And if you're new, please kindly subscribe to my channel. For this video, I just want to explain issue I've been having lately with my Kia Sorento, and this is a 2011 Kia Sorento EX. It's a 4-cylinder. The issue I've had is that when I go to gas station, I buy fuel inside my car and the car would not start. So I'm gonna show you one of the experience I had in a gas station quickly. Watch this video. Been experiencing this for a long time, and in time I just finished buying gas. I experience this all the time, and the car would not just start. I'll try again. You hear that? It will not just start. And this problem has been going on for weeks now. And as you can see in the video, whenever I start the car after refueling, it's not gonna start. My suspicion of what could be wrong would be the Purge valve, and that is taking the gas vapor. Whenever I fill up the gas vapor coming out from the gas tank and then trying to send it back to the intake manifold where it gets burned at the Purge control valve in there. It's either leaking, it's not holding, or it failed open, whereby those fuel vapor gets into the intake manifold, and then I have less of here. There's more gas vapor than here, and then that will cause my car not to start in a long time. It will cause my car not to start whenever I'm trying to start. But I'll tell you, I don't have a check engine light right now. As you can see, the car is running. I don't have a check engine light, but I have this device right here, which I plug into the OBD2 port. This device already showed me on my phone. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I have this app called the Metro Smart Ride app, right? So you already showed me that I have an issue. You can see, I have, and when I click on it, you see what I have, P0441. And what is that? It's an Evap System Fault, right? So it tells me I have a P0441, and then this could be caused by O-ring, the gas cap, and all this thing. I've replaced my gas cap several times, like 2 times. I've replaced my gas cap and that didn't fix it. So this time I know it has to do with Purge, because you see here it said it's incorrect, the Purge flow is incorrect. So, and this only happened when I purchased gas at the gas station. So this time I'm gonna go and replace the port valve, and I already got a port valve right here that I'm going to be throwing into. So I'm just going to walk you through on how to change the port valve, and I'm going to change it right now. So this is the hood of the car. I'm going to be taking this side off. The port valve is somewhere around here because it's coming from the line at the back. So I'll be taking this side off. If you like, you can take the battery off, but for me, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure I take this one off. I take this off. I'm able to take this line over here down to the middle. If you can take it off, or you switch it over. So this one, this place, this line, and most especially, it's better if you can take this guy off. Yeah, you can take this off. So the port valve is right here. This is the port valve right here. Somewhere here, that's where the port valve is, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay. All right, so this is the purge valve. That appears to be bad. I'll tell you right now, it's very hard in here to move things around. And this is the new one that I just bought. All right, so before you do anything, you have to check to make sure they both align well. But again, I have to check this purge valve, right, to actually see the functionality. And the best way to do is, hey, you see this end gauge? That's your best guy. So you gotta pull it to the vacuum end, put it in there, and watch. I'm about to pull a vacuum on this guy, right? See, it's not holding any vacuum at all, and it failed vacuum woefully. I'm gonna go forward and put this new one in, and it's gonna be the same orientation. This is going to be the side coming from the gas, and this is going to be the side going into your intake. So I'm going to start. This is the intake side. I'm going to inspect if there's crack on the holes. There is a little crack, but that's not enough to make this thing not work. So I'm going to throw it in, and the purge valve sits somewhere around there. It's fine. It sits somewhere around there, so I'm just gonna throw it in. I'm gonna put the top back on it, but that is how easy it is if you are experiencing P0445 or 441. And to actually confirm, I'm gonna drive this car back to the gas station, put some gas in it, and then see if it start right back up. So watch out for that video. So it's time for the moment is through. I'm gonna stop the car. Usually when I start the car, everything gets stopped, but right now, let's see. Bam, it's fixed. You see, started one time and it started, and I just finished filling up the tank. So this is to tell you how easy it is to fix the purge control valve. You can replace it. So when you have an issue with your car buying gas, and after filling up your tank, you try to restart, the car is not coming up, you try several times, the main culprit is your purge control valve. And I just show you for Kia Sorento, I replaced it, and that's how easy it is. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I appreciate it. See you again sometime. Bye. Let's drive. Yeah. Oh, man. Let's go, baby.